This is a fun day at the beach. Trying to work on my tan over here.
I did so much flips. Huh?
Wait. Whoa, wait a minute. Who said you guys could be in my pool?
No one.
Let's go! Let's get out of here!
These are my floaties. Kids to kids.
What a beautiful day at the beach, guys.
Beach. Hey.
Oh, I like your popsicle. Splash, 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 splash.
Splash, 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 splash.
Oh, I can't swim. Give me my floaty. Look how relaxing it is. I'm working on my tan, guys.
What's
Guys,
a tan?
I'm working on my tan. That means I get darker skin and it looks cool, I think. Hey.
Yes.
Splash, 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 splash. Whoa, how do you do that? That's amazing.
Oh, this one's flat. This is like a surfboard.
Okay.
Where you go like that. And
Cool surfboard. Hey, you guys, let's play chicken. Let's have chicken fights.
Okay.
Here. You gonna get on his shoulders?
Wait, can we do that?
Yeah, I'll get on my shoulders. Ready, go.
Guys,
What?
what's this?
All right.
Woo!
Whoa, he's like doing flips on his floaty. Whoa, man, this is a great day.
Hey guys, did I say you could play on my beach?
Yes.
Did I?
Yes.
This is my beach. You see these teeth? If you wanna meet my teeth, then you can keep playing. But if you wanna live, then I would get out of here.
Hey, but this is our beach too.
Who's next? Who thinks I'm joking?
I know.
Get out of here. He's smart. That's the only smart one. Who else is gonna be smart like him and get out of here?
I'm leaving. I'm getting out of here. Oh, my mom.
Shark shock? What about you? You gonna stick around? Meet my teeth? Okay, that's what I thought.
What should we do?
I don't know. I want to go swimming, but that Megalodon is a big bully. Who can we get help from? We're just small. I'm just a small lobster.
We can call the Justice League.
Good idea. We can call the Justice League. I know where they live.
Me too.
Hello, is the Justice League there? Who is it?
Superman.
Hi, Superman. My name is Crushstation, and I'm his brother, Crushstation. We need your help. There's a bully Megalodon that won't let us swim at the beach.
I'm sorry, I can't help. I need dinner.
Come on, let us in. Hey, let's go inside. Let us in, we need your help. Come on. Superman, Batman, I know you are good people in your heart, and Wonder Woman, you too. Can you please
Yes.
help us?
Yes.
Alright, come over here, it's this way, there's a bully. You guys, thank you for surrendering your meal and helping us. Wonder Woman, we need your help too. We don't discriminate against women. Let's go get these bullies. Yeah, I feel empowered. We got superheroes on our side.
Wowie, wowie, wah. Singing in the beach. Hey, you? You're back? Yeah.
We're back. You're not afraid of you. We got friends now. Who do you have? I laugh at you trying to beat me. Batman. Wonder Woman. Superman, and Cyborg. Yeah, we're the Justice League, and we hear that you guys are being a bully to these sharks and lobsters over here. So we're here to tell you, stop being a bully and let them swim. Give them their floaties back, dude. Get them! Get them! I have a lasso of truth. I just put it around you. Now you have to tell the truth. Are you gonna leave?
Yeah, no.
Ah, he's not gonna leave, guys. I'm super strong. Oh, my cape! He knocked my cape off. Get this guy. Man, get out! He's too strong. He's too strong. Let's go back home. That was a good show we were watching. We'll just go we could go watch our superhero movies. We'll have it like a binge night. Yeah, we could watch all of our superhero movies. Sorry, guys. Can we have our floaties back, Mr. Megalodon?
No. Daddy.
Sorry. Okay. Hello? Not you guys again. Can I help you?
Yes, please help us, please.
No, not like that. I don't want to help you. We can't help you. That guy's too big. Why don't you find some other one to help you?
Who?
Try the Avengers. There are like more of them, and their movies are better than ours.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. You guys want to go find the Avengers?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Hello.
Hello.
Are you guys the Avengers? Yes, we are the Avengers. What's your name?
Iron Man.
Black Panther.
Spider-Man. Captain America.
This is Falcon.
Falcon. And Hulk.
Hulk smash! Okay, well, we need your help. There's a bully who stole all of our floaties at the beach, and he's not letting us swim there. And there's a hair in my mouth. So, can you help us?
Sure thing.
All right, there's, how many sharks are there?
1.
And there's 6 of us. We should be able to take care of this guy.
Lowy, lowy, la. Singing in the beach. You guys again?
Hey, we want our floaties back. We want to play on this beach. We brought friends.
Friends.
Dun, 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 dun. The Avengers. We heard you're being a bully. Don't be a bully. Let them have their floaties back.
Here. Try to catch me. Ah!
Oh, he's got a spider web. You can't catch him, and you can't catch me, because I fly too. Missiles.
Scratch.
Scratch him, scratch him. I got missiles too. Oh, smash! Smash, smash! Smash, smash!
Smash.
Oh, no! Try and smash me. You can't. I have a shield. Oh, I have super strength because I drank some super formula and it made me strong. And oh, guys, he's really tall. Avengers, assemble! Get him!
Hiya!
Dropping missiles on him! Kaboom! Yeah, I may be outnumbered, but that doesn't mean you're gonna beat me. Jump on you! I'm a fish in water! I'm the one who's the king of the sea! I've defeated your Avengers, you 4. What are you gonna do? He's gone again. Nothing. I'll answer that question for you. Thanks for the floaties. Now you Avengers, scram! Get out of here! I'm the king of the seas! What are we gonna do?
no one can beat the Megalodon. Not the Justice League.
Not the Avengers.
Oh, that was my favorite pool floaty. I want that popsicle back.
What can we do?
I don't know. Hey, who lives here? Do you think maybe they could help us? Hello? Achoo! Achoo! Hi guys, can I help you?
Yeah.
Why you knock on my door?
Because we need someone to beat Megalodon because he's a bully to us.
Oh, well, my other turtle friends are gone. I stayed home because I'm sick. Do you guys want my help? There's just one of me and I'm sick. Do you think I could do anything?
Yes.
Maybe you could try to help us, please. You're our only hope. Okay, I could try and help you. Let's go.
Lolly, lolly, la, singing in the beach. Lolly, lolly, la.
Hey, Megalodon! We're back!
Again?
You may have beat our friends, but we got another friend. Do you want to know who it is?
Yes.
I'll tell you. Dun, 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 Ninja Turtle! Hey, Megalodon, I heard you. Achoo! I heard you were trying to be. Achoo! Be a bully to my friends.
You're sick.
Yeah, so I could still fight you. Here I come.
Yeah.
Here I come again.
Yeah.
Here I come a third time. Achoo! 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 Guys, I can't beat him. What? That's it? You call that fighting? Oh man.
Ah ha ha ha. You broke him? It was so easy. He's a nothing monster truck.
Thank you, Ninja Turtle, for trying.
I'm sorry I can't help you.
It's okay, you did your best. I mean, he's bigger than you, and you still try to fight for us.
Just try to get your toys back.
Okay, we will. You're a good friend. I hope you feel better. Take some chamomile tea. It always helps me. Goodbye.
Bye.
Listen, Megalodon. We know that you're gonna take our toys, but we're just gonna watch you play with them, okay?
Okay. Achoo!
What?
Achoo!
Sneezing.
Sorry guys, I'm sick. You can have your toys back. They're all free.
What? What?
Achoo!
That's...
Achoo!
What? Ninja Turtle did it! Hooray! Ninja Turtle did it! Hooray, Caleb! Hooray!
Please subscribe and watch more videos on my channel. Kids to Kids.